Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the fundamentals so nothing blocks shorts. Update the YouTube app, sign into the correct account, and verify there are no policy strikes. Make sure app permissions for camera, microphone, and storage are granted. Once done, clear the app cache to remove corrupted temporary files and restart the app. If you're on mobile data, switch to reliable Wi-Fi. Conversely, try mobile data if Wi-Fi is flaky. These steps eliminate the most common invisible blockers quickly. Next, reproduce the problem methodically so you find the specific failure point. You should record a 15 to 60-second vertical clip in the Shorts camera and attempt to upload it. Then try uploading a pre-made 9/16 MP4 under 60 seconds. Make sure to test on another device or in a desktop browser to see if the failure is device-specific. While doing this, watch for error messages and note exact wording. That information directs the fix faster than guessing. Finally, apply the definitive remedies. Reinstall YouTube and update your device OS so the app runs expected APIs. If uploads fail, convert the clip to 9:16 aspect ratio under 60 seconds H. 264 video with AAC audio in an MP4 container, then retry. Once done, clear app data and sign back in. A key troubleshooting tip: if everything else fails, reset network settings or try a different Google account. Persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.